have a combination of Tulipa ballerina, Narcissus scarlet O'Hara, Muscari armenicum, and Cultivar Ocean Magic. The Narcissus and Tulipa are a great pair because the trumpet in the middle really comes out and is pronounced when paired with these dotted ballerinas. And I love how the lily form of the ballerina just overarch and really add that verticality right now. And then the cloud of blue Muscari really makes for a beautiful cloud to make all of these bright colors pop. You can see here the Penstemon Pocahontas also is beautiful with all the foliage with the bulbs. So don't forget about your perennials, they can still be involved with the show.